Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for s in this equation: 5 square raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power s multiplied by 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 100. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m. This is equal to a raised to power mn. Then the whole of this can be written as we have 5 raised to power 2x multiplied by 5 raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 100. Then take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 5 raised to power 2x plus x plus 2x is equal to 100. Now this is 5 raised to power, if you have 2x plus x, that is 3x, plus 2x, that is 5x, is equal to 100. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 5 raised to power 5x is equal to log 100. Now take note of this, that if you have log m raised to power n, this is equal to n log m. Then this equation can be written as 5x log 5 is equal to log 100. Let us divide both sides of this equation by log 5. Then this can be written as we have 5x log 5 divided by log 5 is equal to log 100 divided by log 5. This log 5 cancel this log 5. This is the same thing as 5x is equal to log 100 divided by log 5. But 100 is equal to 25 multiplied by 4. Then this equation can be written as 5x is equal to log 25 multiplied by 4 divided by log 5. And this can be written as 5x is equal to log 25 plus log 4, then this divided by log 5, and this divided by log 5. 25 is equal to 5 square. Then the whole of this equation can be written as 5x is equal to log 5 square over log 5 plus log 4 can be written as log 2 square over log 5. Then we have 5x is equal to 2 log 5 over log 5 plus 2 log 2 over log 5. This cancel this. 5x is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 over log 5. But if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. Then 5x is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by 5. Then s is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5 over 5. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 5 square raised to the power of x multiplied by 5 raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 100. Then this is the same thing as 5 raised to power 5x is equal to 100. Now, but x is 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5 over 5. Then this is 5 raised to power 5 bracket 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5 over 5 must be equal to 100. This cancel this. We have 5 raised to power 2 plus this can be written as log 2 square base 5 must be equal to 100. Then this can be written as 5 square multiplied by 5 raised to power log 4 base 5 must be equal to 100. Now 5 squared, this is 25 multiplied by, if you have m raised to power log n base m, this is equal to n. Then the whole of this is 4 must be equal to 100. Then 25 multiplied by 4, this is 100, is equal to 100, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.